How to fix the issue with Bank of America application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Bank of America application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards the Start menu. Then after, you will see the option of Settings. Simply click on it. In Settings, you need to go to the Status of Network and Internet. So under Network and Internet category, click on Status, and now you need to check the connectivity of the Wi-Fi connected to your device. After that, if you have connected any VPN to your device, simply turn it off or change its server to USA, as the Bank of America app might block some of the user whose location is not of USA. So if you are using VPN, change its server to USA's location. Even after following all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to use a different web browser for opening Bank of America's website, or sometimes it might be the issue with the server of Bank of America application, so try using the website after a certain time. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Bank of America application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.